Hello guys, today we're gonna see a Sleeper app tutorial, how to use Sleeper Fantasy Football app. Sleeper has become a go-to platform for fantasy sports enthusiasts, especially for NFL and fantasy football. While also branching out into the other sports and gaming options, here are the main fantasy games and features available on the app. NFL Fantasy Football is Sleeper's main focus, offering a robust platform for managing your teams and leagues. Best Ball also are available for those who prefer less maintenance, with a focus of drafting the best team without needing to set weekly lineups. And Sleeper also has expanded into NBA Fantasy Basketball, offering the same smooth, user-friendly interface and customizable options for basketball leagues. And finally, Esports Fantasy, because Sleeper also caters to esports fans, providing fantasy formats for games like League of Legends, Counter-Strike 2, expanding the fantasy experience beyond traditional sports. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.